I just filmed the mod overview of the bike, and now I'm going to go to a little trip, and I think I should introduce a new segment to the channel, the ranting section. So let's rant about the new tier subscription from Cardo. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. So Cardo just announced a few days ago, for me that is, you guys will know about this from some time, but Cardo announced that they will have now a cheaper unit that will have all the hardware there to do everything that the new comms do, like my pack bolt and stuff like that, but the features will be locked behind the paywall. You have to have a subscription with them for the subscriptions for the stuff to unlock, and basically that makes me hate Cardo instantly. It's now a trend with everybody. Low red, a big red. It's now a trend with everybody that you have subscriptions for everything. And when I mean everything, I do mean everything. We are entering the time where you will own nothing, and that makes me remove the recommendation for Cardo for a comm system. I love mine. I really enjoy my JBL speakers, but I don't like a company that's trying to do this kind of stuff, because it's a cash grab. They will not sell, and this is something that you guys need to understand, they will not sell the units at a loss. They will cover the hardware. What they will do is give the software to not work, and that's just being a bad company. That's not ethical, and that kind of business model needs to die. Zero did it, BMW is doing with stuff, KTM did it also with some bikes, where you basically have all the modes unlocked until the first service, and then if you want anything from those modes, you actually need to pay. So that just, it's like the hardware is there, you can do it, but they lock it unless you pay, and that's just something that I need to rant about, because I believe that's an anti-consumer practice, and I think that we should vote with our wallets. So I don't think Senna is actually as good as Cardo, but they at least don't offer this subscription model. And if you guys are looking for a new comm system, I would vote with my wallet and move away from Cardo, because we don't need to incentivize this. Or if you want to get Cardo, get one of the models. Get one of the models that guys, that's why there's some cars. And he did that. Okay. So if you want to get a Cardo, do it, but be advised that they will probably do some shitty or some shifty stuff. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the rant. See ya.